Hello friends, friends, life is continuum. As you all know, life is continuum. Life is that which never stops. It is always there and we do every kind of activity. But the point here is that activity is not life. Life is life. Life is not livelihood. Life is that which you feel as your being, your core, your life, you live there. You live life as eternity in you, which requires nothing. It doesn't even require activity. Supposing you're sitting one day and doing nothing, even then your life is there. But the point here is that in order to live life in a manner that you feel fulfilled, you have to get into some activity. Now supposing if you do business, if you start working on monies and if you start doing business, that does not mean that is only life. Life contains everything in you which is there in you as being. You are that. You are life. But you get into any activity, but don't let that activity get into your head. Because if that activity dominates in you, then you won't be enjoying the life within you. Life is very simple, right? That is the difference, because meditator lives life and at the same time he gets into whatever kind of activity he wants to do. But the person who does not know himself fully well gets into activity and merges so much with the activity that he is not able to enjoy life. Therefore, I say that you enjoy your life, get into whatever activity you want, whatever pending things you have, you're all doing it, but at the same time, you're not merging with that activity. You have exclusive focus for that activity, and once that activity is done, then it's over, right? So that is how you enjoy life. Enjoy life means understand life fully well, and when I say fully well, which means that you also have inner landscape of your life every day, which keeps you healthy, happy, strong and vibrant. Okay, so energy shifts. Energy is not going to remain same. Energy shifts, but I would again say that meditators, they know when their energy is to be utilized where, because they have already seen that the wave inside, which is a rhythm, it can be converted. It can be converted into any activity, and once the activity is done, then you are back into your life inside and you make it more vibrant, because meditators generally have more space in their awareness for getting into different kind of activities. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned, happy, healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.